In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on eBay. If you need to update the name listed on your eBay account, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to find the right setting so you can make the change quickly and without confusion. To begin, go to the eBay website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top area of the screen and hover your mouse over your name. This usually opens a small menu with account-related options. If you're not seeing the menu right away, just move your cursor slowly over your name and wait a moment for the drop-down to appear. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the section where eBay keeps the main details and preferences associated with your account. It's a good place to manage information like contact details, profile settings, and other personal account options. After you arrive on the account settings page, look for the option labeled Personal Information and click on it. This section is where eBay stores the identifying details connected to your account. So if you're trying to update your name, this is the area you'll need. Once you're inside Personal Information, find the Contact Info section. This is where your account's personal contact details are organized. Depending on your screen size or device, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Take your Siri here and make sure you're selecting the correct section before moving on. In the Contact Info area, click on Edit. This opens the fields that can be updated, including the name information tied to your account. From here, you can enter your updated name as needed. Be sure to type carefully and double check for spelling errors before saving, especially if you want your account details to stay accurate and consistent. That's all it takes to get to the name editing area on eBay. As a helpful tip, after making any account change, it's always a good idea to review the updated information once more to confirm it's saved correctly. If eBay asks you to verify your identity or confirm the change, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish the update. And that's how to change your name on eBay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.